Let me start with a simple question. Have you ever noticed this? Two people attend the same class, read the same book, watch the same lecture, but one of them understands faster, remembers longer, and performs better, while the other struggles, forgets, and feels left behind. Why does this happen? Is it intelligence? Is it memory power? Is it talent? Here's the truth that most people don't want to hear. Fast learners are not smarter, they simply learn differently. In today's video, I am going to show you how to learn anything faster than 99% of people, whether it is for GATE, IIT JEE, UPSC, tech skills, interviews, or life in general. This is not motivation. This is not theory. This is a proven learning framework used by toppers, high performers, and elite professionals. If you apply even 50% of what you hear today, your learning speed and confidence will never be the same again. So stay with me till the end because the final principle is what separates average learners from top 1% performers. The biggest learning lie we are taught. From childhood, we are taught one dangerous lie: read more to learn more. So, what do most people do? Read textbooks again and again, watch lectures repeatedly, highlight notes, reread summaries. They feel busy, but they don't get better. Here's the uncomfortable truth: reading is not learning, watching is not understanding. Learning happens only when your brain is forced to think. Fast learners understand this early. Slow learners never do. Let me tell you a story about Neeraj, the average student who learned faster than everyone. Neeraj was not a topper, not from a top college, not gifted in memory, but something strange happened during his GATE preparation. He started finishing subjects faster than others and scoring higher in tests. His friends were confused. They studied for longer hours. They made thicker notes. They watched more lectures. But Neeraj kept improving faster. When asked about his secret, he said, "I stopped studying to remember. I started studying to understand and recall." That single shift changed everything. So principle number one is active recall, the number one fast learning tool. Fast learners don't ask, "Can I understand this?" They ask, "Can I explain this without looking?" Active recall means closing the book, asking yourself questions, trying to recall concepts, testing your memory. Your brain learns when it struggles. Every time you struggle to recall, neural connections grow stronger. That's why toppers solve questions, teach others, write answers, speak concepts aloud. They don't just read. Principle number two is learn in layers, not in one shot. Most people try to understand everything perfectly in one go. Fast learners don't. They learn in layers. Layer 1 is rough understanding. Okay, what is this topic about? Layer 2 is concept clarity. How does this work? Layer 3 is application. Where is this used? Layer 4 is optimization. How can this be asked in exams? This prevents overload and speeds up learning dramatically. Perfection in first reading is a trap. Next part is principle number 3, that is time boxed learning. Speed over comfort. Slow learners study until they feel tired. Fast learners study against time. They use 30-minute focus blocks, 60-minute deep work sessions, timed problem solving. Why? Because the brain works faster when time is limited. When time is unlimited, mind wanders, focus drops, efficiency dies. Time pressure trains your brain to process faster. Principle number 4 is interleaving. That is why mixing topics works. Most people study like this: one chapter, finish, next chapter. Fast learners mix topics strategically. Example: maths, polity, current affairs, and theory problems revision. This forces the brain to switch context, strengthen understanding, improve retention. It feels harder, but it works better. Learning that feels easy is usually ineffective. Next principle is learn by teaching. That is top 1% strategy. If you want to learn faster than 99% of people, teach what you learn. Teach a friend, teach a wall, teach a notebook. When you teach, gaps become visible, concepts become clear, confidence increases. Toppers don't wait to finish learning before teaching. Teaching is learning. Next principle is focus on mental models, not facts. Facts are forgettable. Mental models are permanent. Fast learners don't memorize information, they build frameworks. Instead of remembering 20 facts, they ask, what's the core idea? What's the logic behind this? One strong mental model replaces dozens of facts. Next principle is manage energy, not motivation. Motivation is unreliable. Energy is controllable. Fast learners sleep properly, eat clean, take breaks, avoid burnout. Because a tired brain learns slowly, no matter how motivated you are. Learning faster is impossible with a fatigued mind. Next principle is use mistakes as accelerators. Average learners avoid mistakes, fast learners hunt for them. Mistakes show what you don't know, where you are weak, what to fix next. Every mistake shortens your learning curve. No mistakes is equal to no improvement. What slows down 99% of learners? Let's be honest. Most people learn slowly because they reread too much, avoid testing themselves, fear mistakes, chase perfection, compare themselves constantly. Fast learners focus only on progress, the mindset of fast learners. Here's the mindset shift. Wrong mindset shift is I must understand everything perfectly. Correct is I will improve with each iteration. Wrong mindset is I am slow. Right mindset is I am training my brain. Wrong mindset is others are smarter. Right mindset is others use better methods. This mindset alone can double your learning speed. Learning fast is a skill, not a gift. Let me say this clearly. Learning fast is not talent. It's a skill you can train. If you apply active recall, layered learning, time pressure, teaching, mental models, you will learn faster than most people around you. Not because you are smarter, but because you are strategic. And in exams and life, strategy beats intelligence. If this video helped you rethink learning, like the video, comment I will learn smarter, not slower. Subscribe to Growth Circle Pro for motivation, exam strategies, and high performance learning. Share this with someone who studies hard but struggles. Remember, the top 1% don't learn more, they learn better. See you in the next video.